The country of Laos, especially the town of Luang Prabang, is a very fun and easy place to spend time in. One of the best waterfalls is nearby, the famous Mekong River is here, and the roosters are nice and friendly. There's a tiny international airport right outside of town, and oh yes, they have elephants. Okay, elephant, here's a nice big banana for you. At the tip of Luang Prabang is where the Mekong River meets the mighty Mekong River. Luang Prabang has a city population of around 56,000 and has a scenic old part sandwiched between two rivers. Aside from walking about the picturesque old town, the most popular day trip is to visit one of the most beautiful waterfalls. We rented this little car to drive from Luang Prabang to the Kuang waterfall. Kuang Falls is actually a series of many waterfalls, and it seems that the higher you climb, the more beautiful it gets along the way. One nice thing about driving ourselves is that we don't have to keep track of the time. The drive is also quite an experience, especially when you come across a herd of water buffaloes. On the way back to Luang Prabang from the waterfall, we stopped along the side of the road at this pretty amazing restaurant. We're getting ready to take the sunset cruise on the Mekong River, and there are many boats to choose from. Hopefully we got a good one. We ended up taking Sasaw Sunset Cruises, and the cost was $245 per person, which is about 12 US dollars per person. And that included either one free Lao beer or a free mojito cocktail. Beginning somewhere in the Tibetan Plateau, this river runs through Laos before flowing into Cambodia and then to southern Vietnam. The sunset is especially striking from the Luang Prabang area. There are a few elephant sanctuaries nearby where it is possible to just walk and swim among these majestic creatures. Back inside the town, there is a morning market that has coffee and many interesting fruits and other snacks, some of which we have never seen before in other Asian countries. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner can easily be found at many restaurants along the Mekong River. Most meals for us cost between $1 and $2 US dollars. Like Thailand, this is an easy place to find mango sticky rice. Luang Prabang is clean and another great place to see all kinds of beautiful flowers. The international airport is only 15 minutes away from the back of a pickup truck.
Goodbye, Luang Prabang.
One note about Bangkok Airways, their service is especially good. Our 1-hour flight to Bangkok included a free meal with wine. Notice the silverware. Thanks to the elevation and the distance from the sea in this landlocked country, the weather is also less humid than in most places in Southeast Asia. See you next time on World Street.